Hi guys, it's Kimberly and right now we have three new cases. They are called Mini ITX that they are spacious and also they are very valuable. They can be used for gaming, also for your office work. And there's the big one, the medium size, and the smaller one. So let's start off with the bigger one. First, we have the red box. This is a Fantex Mini ITX case. Those sacrifices here just use a Mini ITX motherboard and the rest are regular full desktop parts. So of course we have the full Bandi RGB treatment here, and this one starts at $800. So on the next one we have the medium size. Okay. This one is called the Arctic box. You know the name, not actual. It's a small white case of Mini ITX motherboard and a regular desktop parts, and make it as a basic PC from an i3 or a Ryzen 3 to an i7 to a Ryzen 7. I wouldn't recommend an i9 or a Ryzen 9 because it will be too hot, and it starts around $600. The third and not least case that we have, it's called a Fennec Fox. Super tiny case, you can see. So when I open it up, literally it's a computer, but it's smaller. Let me check. It's very small and it's very useful. This is a thin Mini ITX motherboard. Uses laptop memory and an external power supply. Here you have to put an even smaller cooler for your CPU that is so tiny, and start basic from an i3 or Ryzen 3 and just stay there. You don't want to burn your PC, and you can only use low voltage part here. And sorry, there's no LEDs RGB that you can put inside this computer, and this one starts around $500. The only thing that you can play here is League of Legends, and that's all. Remember that we offer a lifetime warranty in our computers that we make here in Puerto Rico, and that's all. And Kimberly out.